Good morning and welcome to WIT AM, your daily newscast of world, national, and local news. We also have entertainment, sports, campus events, and your daily weather outlook. I'm Brandon Martin. President Biden's pick for Attorney General will be on question on Capitol Hill this week. Merrick Garland's confirmation hearings begin today in the Senate Judiciary Committee. Garland will argue for keeping the Justice Department independent from politics. That promise will likely face scrutiny as Republicans press him on the handling of an ongoing probe into Biden's son's tax situation. Garland is a federal judge who had previously been nominated for a spot on the United States Supreme Court. However, at the time, Mitch McConnell blocked the confirmation hearings ahead of the 2016 election. The mayor of Houston, Texas, says the state should cover the skyrocketing power bills. Mayor Sylvester Turner said Sunday on CBS's Face the Nation, not families on unregulated variable rate plans should cover bills that shot up when power was restored. Some Texans are seeing bills higher than $16,000 for just a few days of power usage. The coldest temperatures in 30 years have frozen Texas over the past weeks, and millions of families had no heat or electricity for days as the state's power grid nearly collapsed. The coronavirus has now claimed 500,000 lives in the U.S., according to NBC News' tally. The death toll passed 500,000 mark late Sunday. The number comes just over a year after the nation saw its very first death linked to COVID-19. Since then, there have been over 28 million cases of the virus confirmed. The Iowa Department of Public Health is reporting the second straight day of no COVID-19 deaths. The state did confirm 423 new cases. Officials say the 14-day positivity rate is 4.4%. So far, 574,845 vaccine doses have been administered, and nearly 144,000 people have completed their vaccine sequence. The number of patients being treated in hospitals has fallen to 229, with 58 in intensive care and 28 still on ventilators. When we come back, we'll take a look at your WIT TV entertainment news. Stay with us.
Western Iowa Tech's Video and Media Production Program has been awarded an Upper Midwest Emmy Foundation 2019 Student Production Crystal Pillar Award. This award was presented by the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences for excellence in production.
I work out every day. COVID won't kill me.
I'm 24. COVID won't kill me.
I have antibodies. COVID won't kill me.
It's been a long week. COVID won't kill me.
I'm 25. COVID won't kill me.
I'm partying outside. COVID won't kill me.
I don't need to wear a mask around my friends. COVID won't kill me.
I'm 23. COVID won't kill me.
If I haven't gotten it yet, COVID won't kill me.
I'm young. COVID won't kill me.
Famous last words. Don't let them be yours. Socially distance. Mask up, America.
Myth. If you get COVID-19, you'll recover after a few days. That myth is false. We're only just beginning to understand the effects of COVID-19 on the human body, as we're starting to see more and more people identifying as long haulers who are having symptoms for weeks, if not months, after their initial infection. Continue to wear a mask, socially distance, and wash your hands. Together, we can keep COVID out of school.
For ways to keep your community safe, go to backtoschooltogether.com.
Welcome back. In entertainment news, NCIS New Orleans is wrapping up after 7 seasons. The popular investigative crime drama will be ending its love affair with the Big Easy after 155 episodes on May 16th. The show stars Scott Bakula as Special Agent Dwayne Pride, described as a local driven by his need to do what's right. Though the series is the youngest in the NCIS franchise, a spin-off is reportedly in the works, and it's based in Hawaii. Sources say the show will follow a team of Navy criminal investigators based on the islands. A lost GoPro camera is making its way back to its owner after being lost in the ocean. Josephine Fata found the camera tangled in seaweed that had washed up on the shore of a Massachusetts beach. She was able to access the camera's memory card to find photos of a man using it while windsurfing. Locals were able to identify the man as Theo Kasuga after WCVB-TV aired the story of a found GoPro. Kasuga said he had lost the camera during a rough day on the water in January after being hit by a large wave. Taking a look at today's weather. Today we're going to have some patchy fog in the morning and then mostly cloudy skies with a high of 48. Tonight should be mostly clear and a low of around 27. There will be wind gusts as high as 30 miles an hour. And tomorrow should be sunny with a high of 44. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check up on all the latest WIT TV programming at our website and on our YouTube page. Enjoy your day.